Okay, remember I had shown you the picture of one tiger, and it was a wet place. Then there's some wet water body, green color, and then there was some trees behind in that water body. So none of you could guess, none of you could understand that. I was just trying to test your understanding of physiognomy. So just by looking at that, you know that that place has a tiger. That place is wet, it's marshy. No, that place has some sort of trees. No, so where do you find the tigers? You don't find tigers anywhere else other than in India. No, do you know there are no tigers in Africa? There are only lions. And India is the only country, it's the only continent in the world which has both lions and tigers. We have the Asiatic white lion. I think you have studied with Miss No, the national park. In Gir National Park, we have the Asiatic white lion. These come in for your job in if you want to go for forest service or agricultural service or administrative service or any job. In fact, this is compulsory, knowledge about the national parks and wildlife sanctuaries, because in every exam that I have been giving in the past, always one question or the other comes. Okay, it's always compulsory, because we have the Project Tiger, because the tiger is an endangered species, so in India it's the most important project, to save the tiger and to save the rhinos. We are really trying our best, so I thought you would know. So that picture which I showed you with the tiger and that marshy place, that is the Sundarbans. Okay, it is your mangrove forest. So just by looking at the physiognomy of the tiger and the marshy and the forest, you should understand that it is a mangrove forest. Okay, the physiognomy. Now the second picture I had showed you, there were some trees. It was a forest, but those trees were about to fall, aren't they? The leaves had turned reddish or yellowish. They were about to fall. So those trees who shed their leaves in winter, where do they find? Do we find them in Shillong, in Meghalaya? No, we are in the evergreen forest place. Here you will always find greenery. Even now it's in January. Yesterday you came to Classroom Girls. When you on your way, did you see any yellowing tree? No, everything was green. Because we have the evergreen trees here, So just by looking around, you'll tell me, oh, miss, we are in the evergreen forest. So by that physiognomy. But what about that picture I sent you where the trees were reddish and they did not have this cone shape of tree structure that we have in Meghalaya? The coniferous cone shaped tree. They were rounded in shape, like a balloon. The tree had that round shape. That is your deciduous forests. Okay, deciduous forests are those who shed their leaves in winter. Okay, so you could see that the leaves were turning red. So it means they were about to just fall. They were about to fall, and they would be bare throughout the entire winter. So that is your deciduous forest. Okay, so it's okay. I guess you were overloaded with information. But from the physiognomy of the community, the plant community, you can understand that it is a mangrove forest. You can understand it is a deciduous forest. You can understand that it is a evergreen forest. Okay, whether you're looking at an animal or a plant species, whatever representative is there in their appearance, you will know that they belong to that community, that place. It applies to humans also. Just say you were kidnapped. Then you landed in a place where it was full of Chinky people, and they were speaking Chinese, or Mandarin. So you would know you were in China. All right. So anywhere. Suppose you were kidnapped and everyone was speaking Korean. You would realize that you might be in North or South Korea. Okay, that is a very bad example, but I'm saying from their physical appearance. Okay. Okay, now if we look at the phenology, phenology is the scientific study of the seasonal change. Okay, see, scientific study of the seasonal change. So just now the video went to black. I did not realize that my phone had locked itself. So I hope the recording was going on. I think I... Okay, so it was recording. Okay, I'll just send another.